Hi, I'm Uffe Nielsen. I'm going to give you a quick demonstration of the GM Inspection Rewinder. The Inspection Rewinder can count labels and it can inspect for missing labels or missing matrix. So let's first start with an overview. We have an unwinder, a rewinder. The machine is a dual way, so you can go both left to right. It has an easy to use touch screen. It can run in multiple languages. And it can count the labels, it can count the meters, and it can stop on various arrows here, label arrow, a distance preset, or a splice. So there are many options. Now I'm going to demonstrate the feature of missing label detection. The machine has two sensors, and they are used in the detection mode. The first sensor here sets the flag, so you can see here when I move it like this, now it's detecting a gap. The second sensor over here does the same thing. And the way the machine works is that if the two sensors come out of sync, so if you have one seeing a label and the other one is not seeing a label just after, it knows a label is missing. And then it will stop and place the label here on the splice table, so you can repair it. I'm just going to demonstrate this feature. Now I will make a mistake. I'm going to remove a label here. Away the label goes, and then I'm going to run the machine just slowly so you can see what happens. So now the machine is running, and now, whoops, there was a failure. The machine is counting how many labels went up here, and then it will go back and place the arrow exactly on the splice table so you can repair. Even though if you're running at 200 meters a minute and the label goes all the way up here, the machine will still go back and place the arrow here on the splice table. The machine also has a new auto set sensor. I'll just show you how to set this, and also an important thing is when you're using the missing label detection, it's important that when this sensor here is on a gap, you see here this one is on a gap, the other sensor must be on a label. And if there is some issue with the size, you can move this sensor here a little bit to the left or right so you're sure this one is on a gap when this one is on a label. This is really important for the missing label system to work. So I'm just going to show you now how easy the auto tuning is. You hold down this button on the front and you wait until you get a yellow light. Then you have the yellow light, it's blinking now, then you move the gap under the label until you get a clear detect, non-detect, detect, non-detect. I'm going to show it again. So I'm going to hold it down until I get the yellow light for 2 seconds. It's blinking when it's auto-tuning, and I'm moving the web now under it, so now it's already locked in. So this was a quick demonstration of the GM Inspection Rewinder. It's a really efficient machine to convert rolls, to downsize them to specific sizes, and to inspect for missing labels or missing strip. Thank you.